Hey everyone, this is Atik from BeanAir Technical Support, and today we're gonna look through the new soft set mode configuration. In this video you will learn about how to configure the soft set mode and how to configure its corresponding alarm threshold levels. So let's get started. To configure the BeanDevice on soft set mode, go to Data Acquisition Configuration tab. Then select Soft Set Mode. The Soft Set Mode is only available on the vibration sensors AX3D, AX3DS and X-Ink. And here the question that arises is, what's the difference between the set mode and the soft set mode? And the answer is so simple. The set mode is based on the acceleration alarm thresholds. However, the soft set mode is based on the velocity alarm thresholds. So that's why you need to configure the alarm thresholds before starting the soft set mode DAG. To do so, click on the sensor profile, then navigate to soft set alarm tab. And you can see that the alarms unit is in millimeter per second, which is the velocity unit. Here notes that for each sensor X, Y and Z, the three levels of alarms should not have the zero value at the same time. So you should enter a value different from zero in two different levels at least, otherwise you cannot perform a soft set data acquisition. Also, you should configure the threshold for each sensor X, Y and Z separately. After configuring the threshold levels, go to Online Data Analysis tab. And enable the velocity graph just to make sure that we reach the threshold levels. We click on Validate. Then go to Data Acquisition Configuration tab and choose the soft set mode. Configure the notification cycle to 10 minutes and choose the sampling rate and enter the data acquisition duration. And the pre-triggered duration, then click on Start. And here the graph will be displayed after 10 seconds and it will be refreshed every 10 seconds. Now let's go and check the log files. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.